Hello, I am geography teacher Nijolė.
Hello, I am Vida, English language teacher. We work at Donatas Malinauskas Gymnasium in Onuškis, Trakai region. Today we have lesson integrated English and geography in the nature. You know that lessons in the nature greatly motivate students because they can apply their knowledge directly. So today we are here in Aukstadvaris Regional Park by the stream Žaliosios, which is rather short and connects two lakes, Žalieji Prūdeliai and Vilkokšnis. Here are our students.
Hi!
Geography is such subject. While studying it, you need to have lots of knowledge of other subjects as well. So today's lesson's topic is the water flow rate and the volumetric flow rate of the Žaliosios stream. And we have to fulfill three aims. Using our own made tools to measure the speed, width and depth of the water in the stream. The second one, to calculate the water flow rate and its volumetric flow rate using formulas of physics and mathematics. And the last one, to use English explaining the process.
Firstly, we will measure the speed of the water flow. For this purpose, we choose a 10-meter long section of the stream, which should be as straight as possible, and remove all obstacles, such as branch and stones, which prevent a free flow of water. Then we mark a 10-meter long section.
Now we take a float which we made using a plastic bottle filled with water or sand to the level which would let it flow with no sink. So we put the float into the water behind the beginning of a 10-meter long section, and when it crosses the beginning of the marked section, we start the chronometer. We go together with the float, and when it crosses the end of the section, we stop the time. The dimension we find in this way in a 10 meters long section of the stream on both banks close to the water. We stop two sticks, A and B. Then we stretch a string or a wire, divided into centimeters, between them so that zero mark is by the A stick. The width of the stream is 3 meters.
Now, with the help of a rod, divided into decimeters and centimeters, we measure the depth of the stream every meter. For this, we have to wade into the water. The measurements we write down. Later we add all fifth measurements and divide them by the number of times we did it and get the average depth. The average depth of Žaliosios stream is 45 centimeters. Now we can multiply the width and the average depth of the stream and get its cross-section radius. It's 1,35 square meters. It's high time to calculate the volumetric flow rate of the Žaliosios stream. It's 0,675 cubic meters per second.
During the second part of the lesson, we will measure the volumetric flow rate, which is the volume of water which passes per second. For this, we have to know the speed of the flow and the radius of the cross-section of the stream water.
The average speed of water is half a meter per second. Here are our measurements. The average speed of water is 50 centimeters per second. The width of the stream is 3 meters. The average depth is 45 centimeters. The cross-section radius is 1,35 cubic square meters. Volumetric flow rate is 0,675 cubic meters per second.
Arim negaila. Bye!
So we have achieved all our aims which were mentioned at the beginning of the lesson. Thank you for attention and bye!